So first you'd want to vacuum this out and go ahead and untwist the shift knob. Just grab hold of it. And with that out of the way, you can kind of grab into the shift boot and pull up, as well as use your plastic trim tool along the edge. There's 2 clips right here, 2 clips right here. Then in here there's 4 10mm bolts. Let's go ahead and remove those. It'd be best if you had a swivel socket. And with this piece right here, you can just go ahead and lift upward. Have to have the center console open. That'll pop up. Your mirror switch, ideally you'd want to unplug it. Sometimes it'll pop out of the bezel. To unplug your mirror switch, simply push down on the clip. Gives you a little bit more sunlight down here to work. Okay, then I've taken an angled plastic pry tool, wedged it under there. This boot came up. Now we can just slide that over. Now we need an extension with a 10mm. We need to remove those 4 bolts. Okay, then I've got this SAE 1/2 socket. Go ahead and remove the 4 bolts. And there we have it.